Hey there, in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of connecting a CMS collection in Webflow to the Relume library. So if you see a component in Relume that you want to use in your Webflow project, you'll know how to connect it to a CMS collection. So before we get started in the video, I'm going to head over to designer mode and show you the CMS collections that I've set up for this video, so you can see what we're going to be building and how the CMS collections are structured. So I'm going to go into Designer, and here's the CMS I have for this project. So I have a coaches section that I'm going to use for making a team section, as well as a FAQs section. And for this FAQs, one thing I just want to highlight real quick is that when I make a FAQ section in the CMS, for my answer, I like making the answer field a rich text element, so that way we have more flexibility for the answer, so we can have unordered lists, a bold item, or even some heading levels, as opposed to just a plain text. So when it comes to my rich text, I always like making the answer a rich text. So that is one additional modification that we will have to make to the Relume component. So with that being said, let's go add a Relume component. So I'm going to go back into the Relume library website. You could use the Chrome extension if you want to use it directly in Designer. I just prefer to have the fully fledged website in another tab, but it just comes down to personal preference. So I'm going to go back to Relume, and I'm first going to look for a team section. So I'm going to twirl down this marketing tab, and I'm going to head over to team section, and we can select one. You can select one that you like. For this video, I'm going to use this one that has 3 columns, since I have 3 coaches in that section for this video. So I'm going to copy Team 6, and once it's copied, I can head back into Designer, and I'm going to paste it inside my main wrapper. So I'm going to use the shortcut Command V, and here is section Team 6. And now as a quick heads up, sometimes when you paste in a Relume component, you'll see this error for unknown variable. So if you're using variables in your project and you insert a Relume component, you'll sometimes see this error. So how to fix this is just click on the blue highlighted text and reset, and then it should go back. So you want to make sure when you do paste in a Relume component, you go down through all of the layers in that component, and if you see the warning sign or the error, to make sure to reset and fix all of those, just as a quick word of caution. So once I've pasted in this Relume component, you can see I have the component right here, but all of this is static, and we want to connect it to a CMS collection. Well, if I go in and look at one of these items, all of the cards are nested inside a list called team6_list. And then we have our individual cards. So team6 item is the individual element. So what we need is that this team6 list is going to be important to us. So what we need to do is, right now this is all static, so this is not going to help us. So inside this list wrapper, we're going to add in a collection list in Webflow. So I'm going to use the shortcut Command E or Control E. I'm going to add in a collection list, and the source will be my coaches. So we have this CMS collection list that I have connected to the coaches, and by default Webflow gives us 3 layers. We have our collection list wrapper, we have our collection list, and we have our collection item. Now you remember when I said this team6 list is important? Well, this class is what we need to rename this collection list. So I can select the team6 list, and I can copy this, and I'll give this class to the collection list. Remember, this is the second one. So not collection list wrapper and not collection item, but the collection list. And I can paste in that class. And now we can see we have the 3 columns. Now what we need to do additionally is take one of these individual elements, the team6 item, and either copy and paste it inside the collection item or drag it in. So I'll copy and paste, so I'll hit Command C or Control C, and I'll paste it inside the collection item. Now we have 3 of them for each one of the items, and then we can connect it to the CMS fields. So I'll hit the image, and I'll connect it to the image, disable responsiveness, and we'll add the alt text. And I'll go ahead and connect each one of these properties. I don't have a job title, so I can delete that. And I didn't add social icons for these, so I can delete that. And then once we're done connecting everything, we can delete this previous one. And that's how you would connect it to a collection list for a team. And this would even work for a blog section. And now that we have the team element connected to the CMS, let's do the same thing for the FAQs. So I'm going to go back into the Relume Library, and I'm going to head into the FAQ section. And I'll use this FAQ1 since that has the interactions. So I'm going to copy this, and I can head back into Designer, and I can paste it in my main wrapper below Team 6. So I'll Command V. And here is this FAQs. And similarly to the team section, we need to find the individual items. So we can see FAQ1 accordion, and we have multiple of these for each of the individual items. So then this FAQ1 list is what we're going to give to our collection list once we add that collection list inside this component. So inside the one above it, this max width large, I'm going to add in the collection list. So we need to Command E, add in the collection list, and the source for this will be FAQs. I'll go down, and remember FAQ1 list, so I can go back into my collection list and go FAQ1 list. And then inside the collection item for this, I'm going to either copy and paste or drag in one of the FAQ1 accordions. So for this example, I'll drag it in. And then I can delete the previous FAQ1 list. And then I could connect them to my questions. So we'll go question here, and I can connect it to the question. And then we have the paragraph. Now remember, I was using the rich text, so this paragraph is not going to help me. So inside the FAQ1 answer, I'm going to add a rich text element. So I'm going to use the shortcut Command E or Control E. I'm going to add in a rich text. I can add it above the paragraph. I'll delete the paragraph because I don't need it. And I'm going to get my rich text class. So text, rich text. And then I can connect that to the answer. And then I have all of the questions connected to my FAQ CMS. And if I go in preview, the interactions are all working as intended. So there you go. That's how you can connect a Relume component to a CMS collection in Webflow. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps in your projects, and I'll talk to you next time.